Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today my friends Julius is coming, bringing. Jul, namanya apa ini Jul?
Rubber floor.
Rubber floor. So he's gonna practice his air flare, and I'm gonna try to do air flare as well. And you know, along the way, I'm gonna walk you guys through how we're gonna put this up all together, and then we're gonna show guys how some b-boy stuff, some freestyle that we're gonna do. Alright, so bear with me, and here we go.
Next level. Next level.
Lagi Jen. Bagus tuh tadi. Yang mana? Lu bisa grab. Nah itu ya, bisa.
Buicai. Masih berat.
Nice. Nice.
Lagi. Lu langsung gini. Lu buka pintu gak langsung gini. Kiki, they love me. Aku mau pulang. Gua gak mau main seperti gitu.
Wah.
Bounce.
Woo!
Kasih lagi, Jen.
Wah.
Yeah! High five! Oke. Salah. Bukan itu.
Kaki. Kaki kamu Jul masih sering turun.
Ini masalah ya. Ada dikit. Boleh dikit. Ada
So there you go guys, I just sharing with you guys some clip on how I practice with my friend Julius. And if you just learning b-boying or you want to learn b-boying and you want to learn backflip and all those kind of dangerous moves, I would really recommend you guys to get this kind of mat, because when you fall, it won't feel that painful. And regarding the video of last week where I asked your help to let me know what kind of content should I put out, and thank you guys, I received a lot of comments. Some of you guys want to see more tutorial, some of you guys want to see foundation, basic, some of you guys want to see how I stretch, how I practice, some of you guys want to see vlog, a lot more. So I decided let's just do random videos. 2 videos a week, Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesday there will be random video like maybe it's tutorial or maybe it's a vlog that I just posted just now. And also let me know if you like the video that I just posted. Alright, let me know in the comment section below on how I should improve. And on Saturday there always be the tutorial video. Okay, so 2 videos a week, Wednesday and Saturday. And again, I really thank you for the comments, for your help last week. And let's grow this channel to 100,000 subscribers. Do help me out, spread it out, let your friends know, let your family members know, let's reach more audience so that people can learn more about B-Boy and all the healthy fitness lifestyle. Okay, so that's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.